Hello, welcome to NewbTube day number 12. So today I went through some of module 1 and I'm going fast through it but also slow. So I'm watching it at double speed, but I'm also implementing what I see on the other screen. So there was an introduction module and then there was module 1, so I went through half of that and doing some niche research. And I also been working on a disclaimer, which is now added. And one of the things I'm committed to doing now is adding some more information in the description. So every video, I'm going to just cover what I talk about in the description, incrementally making this channel better. So one of the things that you need for if you're going to have affiliate links in your description is you got to have a disclaimer saying that there are affiliate links. So I put the very first affiliate link, and that is for the course that I'm currently taking. It's for the No Face YouTube course. And that there's also an option to get the high ticket YouTube secrets course along with that. At least at the time of this recording, there's like a I don't know, a one-time offer, an upgrade offer where you can get both courses at a lower price than purchasing them separately. So I recommend doing that if you're going to do this. I like the course. I think it was very well done. It had a lot of great information. I like the free content that Thomas Garrett's, I'm probably butchering his name, but he has a lot of good content. There was one that I especially liked that I'm doing for my travel website because I own the domain name Essential Travel Items. I've had a Shopify store for a while, but I want to create a travel-related YouTube channel that talks about travel, but also talks about the travel items that one may need while they're traveling. So I think that's a very good niche. I own the domain. I have the Shopify store ready. I just need to make some content. And I'm also going through Wealthy Affiliate and going through their educational program as well. And I'm also going to take advantage of their affiliate program as well. There's just so much content to go through. But, you know, we eat the elephant one bite at a time. And like today, I made some progress. Now I'm going to be adding to the descriptions. And I also went through that one video that I really like, and I'm going to put that in the description, that I really liked that one video as well from Thomas. So have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thanks.